This is Bank of Anthos. A crisp green look, login, account, and transaction history. I decided to keep that visual language and embed my service so it feels native.
Buy sub, avoid unnecessary expenses.
In the repository, I'm looking at the service architecture. For data, two components matter most to me. Transaction history, the source of transactions, and LedgerDB, the ledger that can be pre-populated for demo. In the code, I found the transaction.java model. This is our contract. Fields include transaction ID, from account number to account number, amount, and timestamp. Everything needed to analyze recurrence. Using that contract, I assembled a mock JSON to showcase the detector's logic. Two transactions from the same service. Recurrence check. A single well-known brand, detected even without repeats. A regular purchase, no false positives. An incoming payment, properly ignored. My app is a separate AI microservice on GKE. It extends Bank of Anthos through public APIs. I click Detect Subscriptions. The detector finds two subscriptions and shows the estimated monthly spend, the service, and the reasons it was flagged, like recurring monthly payment detected, or known subscription service. Then you get a Gemini 2.5 flash tip, a short, clear instruction on how to cancel. The unsubscribe button is for next step automation in production. Across the GKE cluster, frontend and backend run as separate pods behind load balancer services, and images are pulled from artifact registry. The user clicks Detect. The backend adapter runs the detector and requests a cancellation tip from Gemini. Buy sub. We reveal money leaks and give control back to the user. Thanks for watching. The music in this video was composed specifically for this project. Check out the GitHub repository for code, the architecture diagram, and run instructions.